What's up, online shoppers? If you're nuts for nuts like I am, you're gonna wanna get your nuts from Yupik. Now, these are my go-to brand for buying nuts in bulk because the quality is always there. I always get what I'm looking for, and I love that they have a wide variety of different nuts available. These ones here are the Brazil nuts, and they're absolutely my favorite nut for snacking. Look at how big these Brazil nuts are. Raw nuts, so they're not salted, they're not drizzled in oil, they're not roasted. You can do just about anything you want with these nuts as far as baking or snacking goes. I'll let you in on a secret. The reason these are my go-to nut for snacking is because they are so rich in selenium. They always say it's better to get your vitamins and your minerals from your food than in a capsule. And these Brazil nuts are so fantastic. So if you are looking for a way to get great nuts delivered to your door, these ones here are some you should definitely think about. Quality, fresh, they come in a resealable bag. For the size and the value, especially if you do something like subscribe and save, they are an awesome value. And at my house, they're a family favorite.